We're gonna do the. No, it's not thumbs up. It's 5, 4, 3. Like that.
Actually.
Oh, okay. Emily and Roger talk cooking. What are we doing? Coconut cream. Take 2. Second try.
Forgot the pie part.
Did I? What did I say? Coconut cream?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, then it's going in a pie shell. Coconut cream pie. Roger and Emily, take 2. Because what happened to the first one, Emily? Wasn't very good.
No.
Okay, let's make our filling. So, I have about 360 grams of eggs here. I was making a basic custard. Sugar. It's a lot of sugar. It's going to be sweet.
Yeah.
A little pinch of salt in there. So I'm just going to just incorporate this. I'm not trying to get any air into this though, just so it's nice and smooth. Okay, now we got our eggs and sugar to a nice smooth consistency. I'm going to start making our custard. So this is table cream. It'll make the custard a little bit more creamy. Okay, this. I also have milk.
Milk.
I got all of it. So that was about a liter, half a liter of milk, half a liter of table cream. So it's almost like a 2-to-1 ratio of milk to egg. So that's nice and smooth now. Add in our coconut. I'm gonna add a pinch of toasted coconut too.
What toasted coconut?
Toasted coconut. Try some, it's delicious.
Warm.
Yeah. Mix that in.
How do you make toasted coconut? Do you put it in a toaster?
Little tiny toaster. Each little grain of
Coconut.
oh, in the oven,
Oh.
on the broiler. Oh, I almost forgot the little dash of vanilla. I forget how much it's supposed to be. 12 mils.
Just put it in a
How much is 12 mils?
I don't know, just put in some.
That? I like vanilla though. There you go.
Yeah, that works.
Do you know they did a taste test, Emily? With like real vanilla, they made from vanilla beans, and imitation French vanilla, like this stuff. And people prefer the imitation vanilla over the real vanilla.
I knew it.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because
Because
this is what everyone's used to. There's more fake vanilla used than real vanilla, so people are used to the fake vanilla.
I like real vanilla. It's gonna taste better.
Let's let that rest.
Fish. Butter.
Just getting her dish ready. Huh?
Butter. And pause.
So the pastry's been resting in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So it's just a basic 3-2-1 pastry dough. Use this. There we go.
Should I pause it?
No. Alright, let's see if we can get this in our shell.
I think we will. You will. I'm just the camera. I'm the camera person.
Yep. That's a little thick, but it'll do.
Yeah. Still better than the last one.
Well, the dough in the last one was good. Wasn't it? No, because I used a pre-bought shell, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, I used that graham cracker shell, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The last one sucked. Do you want to know why that one wasn't, not to get excuses, Emily, but some cookbooks that you buy, Emily, that have like thousands of recipes in them, not all those recipes have been tested, eh?
Really?
Yep, so sometimes you get a cookbook where not every recipe's been tested.
They just write down stuff.
Yeah, just like
That's
someone made it and
stupid.
it's not stupid, Emily. It's just the way.
Should I make a tiny pie?
Yeah, just, hold on, Emily, not right now.
Oh.
I can use this dough for something else, too. Okay, there's our crust. I think I got way too much filling, but... Excuse me, Wiener.
I can use the extra filling for my tiny pie.
Yep. Well, we can make little tiny tarts if you want.
Tiny pie.
Yeah, those. A tiny pie would be a tartlet, Em.
A tartlet?
Yep.
Very watery.
Right now it is, yeah. Do you know what I forgot to do?
What?
Put little fancy fork marks on the crust.
Oh.
I'll do that now.
Yeah.
Hey, Emily, why can't you hear a pterodactyl go to the bathroom?
Because the P is silent.
Oh, man! You heard that one before?
Bajillion times.
Oh. I thought I had you on that one.
Nope.
Yeah, you fit more in there?
Probably.
Okay,
I think it looks good.
hold on. I think I can get one more half a ladle in there. Oh, man!
Why? Why?
So this filling I made is enough for 2 tarts, Emily. I only made enough dough for 1 tart.
Oh. So I guess I should pause it.
Alright, in the oven, I don't know what, 40 minutes? I have no idea.
How? Pie. Why is it so jiggly?
It's a custard. See? Some roasted coconut on, or toasted coconut on top. And there's our pie, Em.
Yay.
I didn't have enough egg wash to egg wash this. That's why it's not very golden, but... There. Let that cool down and we'll have a slice of pie, Em.